I am sorry to disturb you. Can you give me direction to the bank?
From here you go straight, then you turn left and to First Heaven. After that here is a junction, you turn left again. After that you go straight on Second Heaven. Then the bank will be on the left.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry I made the video with the help my older sister because I don't have group friends because I was sick when I was divided into groups. Thank you.